Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, so three puzzles are left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku. This one you are interested. The Four Stars Sudoku number 9256. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, I believe 24. Let me check if this is correct. I've not checked before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 24. Yes. It's kind of an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 1, 2, 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 1 7, 1 8, 2 eights, 3 eights. 1 7, yeah, 3 8 and 2 9s. Alright, so the ones are a majority. Can I start with the 1? Don't think so. Don't think so. Don't think so. Okay, let me see. How about the other digits? What the 2 also. Well, in this row, the middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 6. We have 7 and 6 in this big square, so no 7 and 6 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? In the middle row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, okay. So what are the other 3 missing numbers then in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 2 and 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4 then. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left with 4. Oh wait, we have a pair. The 1 and 4 in this row. The 1 and the 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. So 1 digit left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are missing. 8 is missing here. Need an 8 here. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, so the 7 and the 6 are left. We have 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6, 6, okay. Then, we have 4 here. Need a 2 there. Come on. 9 and a 5. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the second row. 2 of those missing numbers are a 9 and a 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square, so no 9 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so what are the other 2 missing numbers in the second row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Then, let me see. Well, In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 7 there, okay. Need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7. 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. The 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, and now I need an 8 here also. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Start a pair in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. No. We have a 5 already here. 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. There's a lot of pairs. Here another pair in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Need a 1 here. Alright. I need a 9 here also. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. How about the 4? 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. What the 6? 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 7 are left here. Let me mark those. 1, 7, and a 9. Okay. Here also 1 number left in this row. I believe the 9. Yeah. We need a 9 in this row. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. So the 9 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9. Okay. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and the 3 here. Let me mark those. Need a 9 here. Okay. 2, 3, 7, 6. I need a 5 here. 5. 7 and a 6. We already have 6 here. So this box should be a 7. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Okay. Come on. What's happening? I'm stuck. Two numbers left in the third column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, we have a pair here. We have a pair here, here a pair, and here a pair. That means 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2 and 3. The 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Let me mark those. Need a 5. Okay. Okay. What these? Wait. Need a 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 2, and a 3. Yeah, I need a 3 in the last row. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. And here can be 3, we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this row, last row, should be here. Alright. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now in this column, so this box should be a 2. Then, let me see, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Do we have all the 2s? Yeah. 1 and 7. 1, 7, we need a 9 here. 5, 8, 9. I need a 5 now. 5. 5, need a 5 here. Here I need a 1, 2. I need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. Okay. The 2 should be the 6 and the 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be a 1. And that box should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5, 8, 9. We have a 8. Oh, wait. Yeah, I need to wait. Yeah. No, yeah, 5, 8, 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this column, so no 5 and 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8, 5 and a 9, okay. Here also 5 and a 9. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row. Last row. 3 in a row. Both on that row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this second column for number 1. 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 5 and the 9, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 50 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Alright, 2 stars puzzle. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.